Pardon?
How do you get that back into the hive?
You can tape it or rubber band it to a frame.
All right.
Yeah, we'll stick it on inside the frame, kind of like that, and they'll probably continue drawing it out downwards, like it's top bar.
If you have a frame without foundation in it,
So I'm
that would
just
probably be the
easing
best.
it back very gently.
We do have an extra.
So that
Because they'll draw this out, then you'll be stuck with it outside of the frame.
Right.
so that's back in there. So maybe not this one.
This way so we can move this up. No, it's okay. We're just gonna pick up this slide. Are we gonna slide?
You guys veg on the bed for years.
So I wanted them to fly up. So that's we've got larvae and
Oh, up at the top.
brood in here.
Oh my gosh.
But these will be, because they've built them on the top, these will be drones.
Right.
Okay.
We want drones, they're good. We won't clean those off, but they might actually all get damaged in this work. Do you just put your